Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing MelodySusie anniversary gift box for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So first I got MelodySusie Pouch and a MelodySusie anniversary box. MelodySusie is celebrating the 13th anniversary from August 25 to September 25 and they will be having a lot of surprises and this is one of them. So first I will be opening the MelodySusie pouch and see what's inside. So here is a heart rhinestones for nail art decoration. So there are 3 sets of heart rhinestones. So next is a nail art remover brush. It is a high quality made of soft synthetic fiber. I love the gold hard plastic handle design. It is very smooth and soft. Next is 5 pieces of dual-ended nail art dotting pen. The double head design is convenient to use to do different crafts nail arts design. And this one is a UV shield gloves. It is protective fingerless gloves that are safe and stylish. It is blocking over 98% of all UV and LED rays. MelodySusie gloves offer sunblock protection to hands and skin from harmful UV and LED rays emitted from UV and LED light nail dryer lamp. So if you're doing your nails that often, you're gonna need this to protect your hands from the UV rays. And that's it for what's inside the pouch, and now we'll see what's inside the MelodySusie anniversary gift box. And I just want to say happy 13th anniversary MelodySusie and thank you. It has been a pleasure using your products, and I personally highly recommend MelodySusie products as I have been using it for a while now. And I can tell you that MelodySusie products are high quality. You will never be disappointed. It comes with large barrel smooth top tungsten carbide nail drill bit. It is a fine grit. It is best for nail techs who are working on artificial nails for shaping, carving, smoothing, backfilling, and removing gel. Next is straight cut tungsten carbide nail drill bit. This is for fast to remove acrylic nails, deep powder, polygel, and hard gel nails. Next is the cross-cut tungsten carbide nail drill bits for general surface work, cleaning, prepping, backfill, and removing gel polish. Next is the ceramic nail drill bits. It is for shaping, carving, smoothing, backfilling, and removing gel. Next is the cuticle cleaner safety nail drill bit. Next is the straight cut tungsten carbide nail drill bit. So this is all the nail drill bits that comes in a box, and it also comes with the sanding bands. 100 pieces fine grit pink sanding bands with a mandrel. $100 pieces coarse grit brown sanding bands with a mandrel. And another 100 pieces of fine grit purple sanding bands with a mandrel. And it also comes with acrylic nail clipper 4-in-1 kit. This kit comes with an acrylic nail clipper cutter, cuticle trimmer nipper, cuticle pusher remover, and gel polish scraper peeler. which will meet all your needs of nail care one time. It is multifunction nail trim tools for false nails, acrylic nails, artificial nails, gel polish, nail tip, and natural nails. And it comes with acrylic nail drill bits holder stand. MelodySusie 48 holes superior quality round nail drill bit holder stand with clear dust proof cover can be used to organize, storage, and display your nail drill bit for manicure tools. It is a must-have tools for manicure, and you don't have to worry about where to store your nail drill bits anymore. And the best part is it comes with MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill. So let me tell you about this product. MelodySusie Jade Plus Rechargeable Nail Drill is the most innovative product, which is 35,000 RPM brushless motor, higher output power, and super stable. It is smaller size and wireless. The handpiece is smaller than your iPhone 13. No pressure on your waist. It is low noise to eliminate customers' fear of nail drill. It is rechargeable and durable. It lasts 8 hours after 2.5 hours of fully charged and over 10,000 hours lifespan. It is vintage style. The design is inspired by early 18th century architecture and can make your manicure operation more pleasing. So I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys know where to get these products. So the value of this package is $409.99. But as my viewers, you can get it for $199.99 during MelodySusie 13th anniversary, which is from August 25 to September 25, 2022. And remember, this is a limited edition gift set. So what are you waiting for? Go now and check the link below on my description box for more details. And that's it, everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.